The Kaizen method to ruthless success. The inner conflict. You say you want greatness. You say you want success. You say you want respect, power, freedom, mastery. But your actions tell a different story. You wake up late. You procrastinate. You scroll. You wait for motivation. You plan, but you don't execute. You're not stupid. You're not weak. You're not untalented. You're something more dangerous. You are ambitious but lazy, and that combination destroys more potential than failure ever could. Today, I'm not here to insult you. I'm here to reprogram you, because centuries ago, the samurai faced this exact enemy, not laziness of the body, but laziness of the mind, and they solved it with one brutal philosophy: Kaizen. Part 1. The samurai did not rely on motivation. Let me tell you something that will hurt your ego. The samurai did not wake up feeling inspired. They did not wait to feel ready. They did not chase motivation. They trained every single day, whether they felt strong or weak, confident or afraid, tired or energized. Why? Because samurai understood one truth modern people hate: motivation is temporary, discipline is permanent. A samurai sharpened his sword daily, not because he expected battle that day, but because one day battle would come. You, on the other hand, wait until life forces you to act. That's why you feel behind. That's why you feel anxious. That's why your ambition hurts instead of helps you. Part 2. The real enemy is not laziness. Listen carefully. You are not lazy because you are weak. You are lazy because your ambition is too big and your system is too small. You want massive success, but you expect instant results. You want mastery, but you avoid boredom. You want respect, but you avoid discomfort. That contradiction breaks people. The samurai solved this with Kaizen, not intensity, not obsession, not burnout, small, relentless improvement. Part 3. Kaizen, the samurai secret you ignored. Kaizen means continuous improvement through tiny daily actions, not heroic effort, not dramatic change, not motivation spikes, just 1% better every day. The samurai did not train for 10 hours randomly. They trained consistently, methodically, precisely. They mastered the boring. They respected repetition. They trusted time. Modern people want shortcuts. Samurai trusted process. That's why they won wars with discipline, not emotion. Part 4. Why ambitious but lazy people fail. Let's expose the pattern. You set massive goals, feel excited, start strong, miss one day, feel guilty, quit entirely. That's not laziness. That's perfectionism disguised as ambition. You think, if I can't do it perfectly, why do it at all? The samurai thought, if I do it poorly today, I'll do it slightly better tomorrow. That mindset builds monsters. Part 5. The Kaizen rule that will save you. Here is the rule that changes everything. Lower the action, never lower the standard. If you can't work for 2 hours, work for 10 minutes. If you can't train hard, train light. If you can't focus deeply, show up anyway. Why? Because identity is built by showing up, not by intensity. Samurai didn't ask, do I feel like training? They asked, who am I if I don't? Part 6. Ambition without system is self-sabotage. Your ambition is dangerous without structure. It creates overthinking, anxiety, comparison, self-hate, burnout cycles. Kaizen gives ambition a container. Instead of, I need to change my whole life, it becomes, what is the smallest action I can do today that moves me forward? That question destroys laziness, because laziness thrives on overwhelm, and Kaizen kills overwhelm. Part 7. The Samurai Daily Code. Apply this. Here's how a samurai would structure his life simplified for you. 1 non-negotiable daily action. Just one, no matter what. Even on bad days. Write 1 page, train 5 minutes, read 1 paragraph, practice 1 skill. Miss nothing. 2. Same time, same place. Samurai trained at fixed times, not when convenient, when scheduled. Routine removes decision fatigue. 3. Progress over pride. Some days will be weak, accept it. The samurai knew weak practice still beats no practice. Part 8. Laziness is often fear in disguise. Be honest, you're not lazy, you're afraid. Afraid of failing publicly, being judged, wasting effort, not being enough. Kaizen bypasses fear. It's too small to be scary, too consistent to be ignored, too patient to fail. Fear needs drama. Kaizen is silent, and silence wins. Part 9. The Samurai Mindset Shift. Modern mindset. Results first, then effort. Samurai mindset. Effort first, results later. You don't train because you're confident. You become confident because you train. You don't act because you feel ready. You feel ready because you act. That reversal changes everything. Part 10. What happens after 30, 90, 365 days? Let me tell you what Kaizen does over time. After 30 days, self-trust returns. Discipline feels lighter. Laziness loses power. After 90 days, identity shifts. You stop negotiating with yourself. Confidence becomes quiet, not loud. After 365 days, people call you disciplined. Your results look lucky. Your past self wouldn't recognize you, and all you did was show up a little every day. Part 11. The brutal truth you need. If you don't change your system, your ambition will rot into regret. You will keep watching others pass you. You will keep blaming circumstances. You will keep saying, "I know what to do." Samurai didn't care what they knew, they cared what they did daily. Knowledge without repetition is useless. Dreams without discipline are fantasies. Part 12. Final Samurai Command. Listen carefully. You don't need motivation. You don't need inspiration. You don't need confidence. You need a small daily action you will never miss. That is Kaizen. That is samurai discipline. That is how ambition becomes power instead of pain. Closing. Silent promise. Tonight, don't promise to change your life. Promise something smaller. Promise to show up tomorrow, even tired, even bored, even unmotivated. Because the samurai didn't win by intensity, they won by never stopping. And if you adopt that path, your laziness won't survive.